Am I bi? Yes, I am. Very Brad Mondo. No! He's like bad, isn't he? Brad Mondo? He's bad. He's bad. Do we hate... Menthol is... I like the spearmint. Is it spearmint? More than the menthol one. But yeah. Chuck from under the sea. Oh, you mean Sebastian? That's from Ariel. What the fuck am I talking about? Yeah, we don't like Brad Mondo, right? Do we? Don't we? He doesn't know about... I don't know. I don't partake in that. What's my Etsy? I closed my Etsy because it got too much. I kind of want to come back to Etsy. Maybe, probably never. I did all of my piercings myself apart from my first, my seconds, and that one. I have 5 of my 15. I did 10 myself. All my ears, and my cartilage, and my septum I did myself. Oh, right, that makes more sense. I thought you were referencing some... I prefer Sebastian. Ariel literally have jeans that say fuck the Tories on them, because I thought I was so cool writing my political views on my jeans. It didn't get infected, and it really, healed really fast. I heal stuff way too fast. It's, bad, because then I pierce myself more. I don't know. I am the protagonist character, but the second one. Do I smoke? Do I smoke what? I'm, exposing myself on this live. Shh. This is a secret. Nobody tell anyone. We love fitting into a stereotype. I'm actually not, really left. I don't know, my political views. It's really bad. My dad's a communist, bless him. He's an English teacher, and he looks like a Tory, but he's a communist, and I love him to bits. And then my mum is, she says she's Lib Dem, but, basically... I'm not going to say she's a Tory, but she... Yeah, I love my dad too. He's, short, an English teacher. And is a communist. Just Marxist. Love him. I'm not in a good mood. I'm literally on the verge of tears. So I'm on live. And, yeah. I love how I can just, pretend my way into being happy. It's great. As soon as I go off this live, I will cry. I will, crawl up into a ball and have a full-on, death. But, yeah. Wait, why are you sad? I have multiple head injuries. Well, not injuries, but, Have I got exams? Yeah, I did my, biology today. My face is so gross today. I can't even... Anyways, it's so puffy. Oh! I keep on looking at myself. Sorry. Do you ever get that? I keep on looking at myself. I've got to just read the comments. Stop looking at your face. Or I will just, cry and go off the live. Just because I looked at my face too much. Can I burp on command? No, I can't. Do I draw? Yeah, I draw. Sometimes. No, my face is, so puffy. I'm gonna cry. How did it go in biology? It went really badly, but it's fine. I knew I was gonna fail anyway. I've been, trying not to be hospitalized, so, I've not been doing much, not trying not to die. Yeah, of course I support all religions. And yeah. You're beautiful. I'm Italian. That's cool. Italy's such a pretty place. I was supposed to go there last year, but then COVID happened. So. Ew, I can't. My face is so round. Maybe it's the lighting. That's slightly better. Nope. Still got a round as fuck face. I'm 17. Look after yourself. No! Sorry, that was mean. No. Respectfully, no. I look after myself? No. It just doesn't work. It doesn't work. Yes, you should. I did. I bleached it. You can see where you don't need to bleach it because you can see it's just a slightly darker red there. Kind of looks quite. I quite like it, so I'm going to leave it to grow out for a bit before I bleach it again. And then I don't know who that is, but cool. Do your parents? Probably. They don't really care what I do anymore because they're like, oh, she hasn't killed herself. She must be. It's fine. Just do whatever. Well, kind of. I don't think they'd be happy if I knew I like drugs, but actually, I think they wouldn't. I don't know anymore. I don't know. Like I think my mum saw that vape, but I think I tricked her into thinking it didn't have nicotine in it because I have a non-nicotine bottle, just because I'm an idiot and got the wrong thing, online, and I have that, and I just had that out, and I was like, oh look, it's not nicotine. You can't be angry at me. And she was like, okay. Do I take meds? That is an interesting question. That I don't know. What do you mean? Like, do I take them, or do I like get prescribed them? Why did you colour your hair red? Because that's the first colour I picked out. Because I bleached it really badly blonde, like really patchy, like it was a ring. It was not it. I don't know what that means. I'm really sorry. What do you mean? Get into bad crowds? I am confused. Like the red hair color? Bad crowds? What? I do not think that's correct. I have like a whole highlight on my Instagram dedicated to my hair. People are like, oh, which hair? Like, I have a highlight. It like shows my whole hair journey. It has the shitty bleach. It has the first color I used. Like, if you wanted a darker color, there's this L'Oreal one. And then, yeah. But there's like a hair highlight. If any questions about my hair, it's just probably there. Like, it has everything. Can I give you a hug? I have SPD. Probably not a good idea. I will like freak out. Anyone else have SPD? Please let me know I'm not alone. Or just like sensory issues in general. Like any kind of sensory issues, because they really sensory processing disorder. Don't take psychedelics without friends. You take them in a good headspace. That's why I haven't done them in like, I don't know. Don't be in a good headspace. Always do it with friends and people you trust. Like, be in a safe place. Plan, like, and have everything you need. Just, like, there's no such thing as over-preparing. And just make sure you're in a good headspace. Like, if you're having a bad day, don't do psychedelics. No, SPD, sensory processing disorder. I have, like, a swing for it. They, like, best prescription I've ever gotten for a disorder. This is literally, my therapist prescribed me a swing.